In today's world, it's all about finding the best gadgets to enhance your daily productivity. And one such essential tool that deserves your attention is the membrane keyboard. These keyboards are designed to provide a comfortable, tactile typing experience, and in our video roundup, we'll be showcasing some of the top-rated models available in the market. So sit back and join us as we guide you through this exciting journey of discovering the perfect membrane keyboard for your needs. To get things started, we have the innovative EPOMAKER Rawtone 100, a retro-style mechanical keyboard that stands out with its customizable smart TFT LCD display and unique twist knob. This keyboard supports wired and wireless connections and boasts a soft, smooth typing experience through its gasket mount design. While it features a sleek and stylish design, it may be a bit pricey for some users. Overall, if you're looking for a unique, customizable, and comfortable keyboard, the EPOMAKER Rawtone 100 could be the perfect choice for you. Following that, this robust waterproof keyboard with a trusty touchpad offers a seamless blend of durability and functionality for various industries. Its IP68 rating ensures it withstands the toughest environments while remaining easy to clean. Users will appreciate its large backlit keys and ergonomic design, making it perfect for those constantly on the go. After that, this waterproof mini keyboard featuring a touchpad is perfect for those in tough working environments like food service or marine industries. IP68 certified, it's dust and waterproof, ensuring it can handle harsh conditions where other keyboards may fail. No need to worry about cleaning, as this rubberized keyboard can be washed with soap or other non-petroleum products. Next, this Seal Shield Sun 108 PG Seal Touch Glow keyboard is not your average keyboard. It's designed to withstand harsh cleaning procedures, being both waterproof and dishwasher safe. The silicone keyboard is even certified with an IP68 rating, making it the ultimate choice for medical environments. The sleek design features a low glow and soft blue backlit keys, perfect for working in dim areas. Plus, with its quiet touch technology and fully functional touchpad, this keyboard brings versatility and convenience to your fingertips. Whether you need to clean it after a long day or simply need a reliable keyboard for your medical profession, the Seal Shield Sun 108 PG Seal Touch Glow keyboard has you covered. To cap it off, meet the Insignia NSPK4 CB23, a sleek and ergonomic full-size wireless membrane keyboard that brings comfort to your typing game. Simply plug and play with ease, connecting to your Windows, MacOS, or Chromio system using a nifty USB dongle. The ergonomic design features a smooth wrist support for those marathon typing sessions, while the membrane switch keys offer a soft, satisfying typing experience. The full-size number pad ensures accurate data entry, and the multimedia keys make managing audio a breeze. However, be prepared for occasional wireless connectivity lag, as well as lacking backlighting and a rechargeable battery option. Overall, this keyboard is a solid choice if comfort and wireless convenience are your top priorities. There you have it, folks, a roundup of the best membrane keyboards on the market. Remember, when it comes to typing all day, comfort is key. We hope this video left you feeling informed and inspired to upgrade your keyboard game. Until next time, happy typing.